This is about a domestic terrorist, thin blue line criminal.
You don't have any reason to pull somebody over if they ain't got a tag on your tractor, idiot.
I violated my oath of office.
I also violated my oath of office.
I don't care that he didn't violate any law.
Please, Mr. Jailer, won't you let my man go free? Please, Mr. Jailer, won't you let my man go free? He don't belong in prison, though he's guilty as can be. But the only crime he's guilty of is simply loving me. Please, Mr. Jailer, won't you let my man go free?
This video was created to show the corruption and the conspiracy in Adams County, Pennsylvania courthouse, 2022.
I told Mr. Bowl to go F*% himself. I refuse to present his obvious Fourth Amendment right to be left alone. I am so very cool now, all my co-conspirators are so very proud of me. Me finding out that Mr. Bowl was right, I screwed him over. Wait until my daddy finds out that I am a complete fraud. I am a public pretender, I do not need to fight for the underprivileged. My job is super easy, all that I have to do is go with the flow, and conspire.
See the tractor going up the road? No tag, people. You see that? You know why? Because it's legal. I don't see any tag on that because it's a tractor. It doesn't need a tag. See the driveway coming right off the main road? This is where he attacked me. Right up there. And right here you can see there's a driveway for this farmer here to be able to run his tractor right up here and go right onto the road. You can see there's his tractor marks where he's been on the road with his mud. Okay, this is a common practice in this area for everybody but me. I'm not allowed to do what everybody else is allowed to do. Right there is where I got beat up by the police for having my tractor on the road. Do you see a tag on the back of that tractor? Absolutely not. That tractor came with all those lights that are on it. Mine had all the lights that it came with. Look, does everybody see this? Okay? Right there is where the chief of police was sitting. So any other time he'd be sitting there watching that tractor. Actually, he'd be in that tractor's way. Okay? Because he happens to own both sides of this part of the road. But I think he also has some other property up the way that he travels on that tractor. Doesn't matter, he can go 50 miles on it. That's the law, that's what's written. Don't see no tags on them neither, huh? Imagine that. See that, everybody? Right in front of the house. There he goes up the road in a tractor with no tag. See that? It's not against the law. Is there a tag on the back of that tractor? Absolutely not. I'm tired of this bullshit. I don't see any tag on that because it's a tractor. It doesn't need a tag. Anybody see a tag on that? Anybody see a tag? No. You know why? Because it's legal to drive it on the road without a tag or any extra lighting. See that? No tag. Yeah, he got lights, but that's because it came with lights. He didn't have to put the lights on, and that's probably over 20 horsepower. But do you see a cop pulling him over? Absolutely not. Why? Because it's legal for everybody but me. See if this guy's got a tag on it. Nope, look at that, no tag. Imagine that. Did you see that? No tag. Because it's legal and lawful for everybody but me. This was the 23rd of June. 2 years shy 4 days was when I got arrested for that and beaten to the pulp. Criminals with badges. Well, look what's coming right down the road on my 2-year anniversary. We got a tractor. Looky there. See that big old tractor going down the road there, Mr. Police Officer? No tag. Do you see that? You don't have any reason to pull somebody over if they ain't got a tag on your tractor, idiot. Looky there. See that? No tag. Because you don't need a tag on a tractor. This was the 30th of June, a Friday. Look at that, right out onto the road with no tag. You see that? That. No tag. See the tag? No tag. Why is there no tag? Because it's not needed in Pennsylvania. It's not required by anybody but me. That's the bullshit. Anybody see a tag? It's taking up the entire road. Is there a police officer behind him? No. Is anybody pulling him over? No. Why? Because it's totally legal in Pennsylvania for everybody. That's what the roads are for. They're public roads. They do not belong to the state. The state needs to stop trying to steal the roads. No tag, anybody. No tag. See that? This is July 11th, after 4th of July and all that. No license, you see that? No registration. No registration, because there's none required on a tractor for anybody but me. Again, my rights were violated and the law was broken by them criminals. See that? No tag. There's another little tractor going by without any tag. Anybody see a tag? Of course not, because it doesn't require a tag for anybody but me. Every one of these corrupt judges in this county. You're going down for the criminal acts you commit every day. See the tractor going up the road? No tag, people. You see that? You know why? Because it's legal. It's totally legal. Except for if I do it. Anybody see a tag? No. Why? Because it's not required on a tractor. No tag on either part. Sky reflectors, Yeah, fine and dandy. Okay, it's totally legal. Yes, he's on private property now, but he was on the road. So here comes another guy right up the road, and it's after dark on his riding mower. See it? Yes, it's an alleyway, but it's also a roadway. It's also legal what he did. Anybody see a tag on that tractor or a tag on the trailer behind it? No, because it's exempt from registration, except if I'm driving it or traveling on it. Looky there. Now, look at this thing taking up the entire road. You see that? Okay, and that's totally legal because it's a tractor and he's probably going between his properties. There's no tag on this tractor, I'll guarantee you. Look. See? There's no registration on it because it doesn't need it. Nobody but me. Because of the corrupt Adams County judges and magistrates and police officers. There. It was filming me. Now let's see if he's got a tag on this bad boy. I can bet he doesn't, and look, he's taking up the entire road. We got a tag, guys. No tag, do we? Anybody see a tag there? Nope, 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 nope. Me neither, because it's not required in Pennsylvania for anybody but me. You see him sitting down there? No tag. And there he goes onto the main road, just like I did. But I don't take near as much space as he does. No tag. See that? See if there's a tag on there. Nope, no tag. And look, no tag on this thing he's pulling either, right? Right. Because it doesn't require to be tagged. No tag. See, everybody? No tag. It's not required on a tractor. Look, no registration on the back. See that, everybody? No tag, because it's not required on a tractor. Oh, you son of a bitch. I did send some up. See that tractor, everybody? And he ain't got no tag on it because it's not required by state law. So I can guarantee you when he turns around here, he ain't gonna have no tag on it. And he's using the roadway incidentally, by the way. Now look, no tag, people. See that? No tag. See that? That's legal. No tag on the back of the trailer neither. See that, people? All right. Now I'm tired of being convicted of stuff I didn't do. Ain't got no lights on the back of that because no lights came with it. And they want a tractor down the back way, down the alleyway. We're gonna swing over there and catch that garden tractor too for it. Let's see if we can catch that guy on a garden tractor over there. he's in the line of traffic and everything. He's in the middle of the road where he belongs. The man wasn't breaking any law. And neither was I. But I got convicted of breaking the law. This is Oktoberfest, by the way, and here comes a guy with a garden tractor down the road, just like I was doing. It's not illegal. See that? No tag. There, let's turn around and show you there's no tag on that vehicle. No tag on that tractor, because it doesn't need one. See? Anybody see a tag on the back of that tractor? Nope. And it's probably 17.5 horsepower Troy belt, just like mine. See? Now why did I get arrested? He's even going down the wrong side of the road. Oh, he's going right up on the sidewalk. He's going down the sidewalk there, Chief of Police. See that? Traffic out today. I should have lowered those other ones. Oh well, I can't do it now. He's probably going between his properties, just like I was doing. But somehow it cost me $6,000 because of corruption here in Pennsylvania. See, here he is, going right down the road. Look, here comes the other tractor, for God's sakes. Can I ask for anything better, Lord? Thank you, Lord. Right there in front of the fire department, yeah. Obviously, it's not illegal to have a tractor on the road. And for nobody but me. Side you, baby. See that?